steal this 3-step framework that helped me grow my following on LinkedIn and convert my audience into paying clients. Step 1. Attract the right audience. Find other experts in your field, bookmark their profile, and add value to their post by commenting on it. This will help you be seen by your competitors' audience. Bonus tip: send 5 connection requests to people who are hanging out in the comment section and people who fit your client persona. Step 2. Nurture. Create content consistently on LinkedIn and share actionable tips, your personal journey to success, and your clients' transformational stories to build credibility. Last step, step 3. Convert. Offer an incredible freebie to your audience in exchange for an email address. Once they're on your email list, nurture them, and once you're ready with your offer, send them a limited time only offer and or a special bonus so that if they buy from you, they can access that bonus within a specific time frame. This 3-step framework is the only strategy you need to skyrocket your growth on LinkedIn.